Unpacking English, Understanding Nibble On. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting phrase to explore together, nibble on. This is a phrase you might come across in everyday conversations, and it's quite a vivid one. So, if you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and nibble on the details. Nibble on is a phrasal verb in English, consisting of the verb nibble and the preposition on. To understand this phrase better, let's look at each word separately. Nibble. This verb refers to taking small, quick bites of something, usually food. It's a much gentler action compared to biting or chewing. On. This preposition is used here to indicate the object that is being nibbled. When combined, nibble on describes the action of taking small, quick bites out of something. You can use nibble on in various contexts, but it is most commonly associated with eating. Here are a few examples to help illustrate its use. 1. Snacking. I was just nibbling on some nuts while waiting for dinner. 2. Tasting. Would you like to nibble on this new flavor of chips? 3. Eating slowly. She tends to nibble on her food, taking her time to enjoy every bite. It's important to note that nibble on implies a slow, leisurely pace of eating. It's not used to describe eating a full meal quickly. Even though nibble on is a straightforward phrase, there are a few common mistakes that learners might make. Here are a couple to be mindful of. 1. Using the wrong preposition. It's always nibble on, not nibble at or nibble in. 2. Using it in formal contexts. Nibble on is quite informal, so it might not be suitable for formal writing or speeches. And there you have it, a complete breakdown of the phrase, nibble on. We hope this video has helped clear up any confusion and that you're now confident in using this phrase in your daily conversations. Remember, English is a rich and colorful language, and phrases like nibble on add flavor to our interactions. Keep practicing, keep learning, and as always, happy learning. We'll see you in the next video.